McDonald's application for Android. Recently, I updated this on my Google Play, and I've been having again with the coupon problems like before, but this is a little bit different. So if you go to the McDonald's app right now, and you go to deals. Sorry, this is loading. Yeah, if you go to deals, it should show get a free McCafe. That's all it's showing. It's not showing nothing else, but that's it you seen. So I'll show you how to fix that. It's very easy, but some people don't know. Many of you could do it, but know the problem, but a lot of them don't. So what you do, just go to more on the app. Then you go to profile and log out. Now go to more again and the 3 circle dots and then log in again. Log in one on your Google or Facebook, a lot easier. Now you go to deals. Now you can see everything else. I don't know why, but if you go to McDonald's and you see all this stuff right here, you go to just press one of the deals, and they let you use it for maybe an hour or 2 hours. It expires. If you don't use it, it expires. McDonald's thinks that you already been using the deal. So if you haven't go to McDonald's and your coupon expired, you have to sign out and sign in again. If it's only showing the get a free McCafe. So thanks for watching. See you later.